Sa laro. Sa laro man yan. Sa laro, sports company tayo. Sige, ito mo lang siya. Pakibala ka dyan.
Congratulations, Mr. Pajaro. 3-point king of the season. Jersey number 24 from Team Alfaro. Sidil Kumar Akshay.
Okay, Akshay po, 3-point king of the season. Marami siyang sinut na 3 points po on the last season. Okay, 3-point shooter o let's say ano, sniper. O Mr. Long Bomb.
Congratulations, Mr. Akshay. Tabal king of the season. God bless you, number 78. Team Alfaro, Dante Magui.
Okay,
the shot blocker of the season.
Dante pala po ang ano, pinaka-tapal king ng season na to. Dante. O, the shot blocker. Shot blocker per season.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Mr. Magui. Coach of the season from the Teams. Okay, assistant ko na. Assistant coach from the Teams. Team Alfaro, Rebel Bakay, and Team Jalas, Dino Suri.
Okay, Coach Bakay at isang coach. Ay si Coach Dino rin.
Hey, coach of the season. From the Teams again, from Team Jalas, Coach Rizal Santos, and Coach Mr. Taib from Team Alfaro.
Nakabawala si Mr. Taib. Okay, Coach Roser receiving an award and of course a award figurine, also a plaque also. Of course si Coach Taib also receiving the same thing also what received by Coach Roser.
Congratulations, coaches. Now, the critical 5.
Okay, now meeting 5. Okay, for the middle 5.
Patawagin mo na natin ang 6-man. 6-man of the season. Version number 16. From Team Jalas, Albert
Kalisin. 6-man. Siya po ang 6-man of the season. The sniper. Or the babyface assassin, Kalisin.
Our medical 5 of the season. God bless you, number 24. From Team Alfaro. Sidil Kumar Akshay.
Okay, Akshay po. Vertical 5 po siya. Vertical relationship. Okay, award also. Plaque. And of course, a trophy also. Received by Mr. Akshay. Left is
From Team Jalas.
Akshay, please stay.
Version number 6. Has Robin Velasco.
Okay, Velasco also. Just wait. Vertical 5, di po complete. Okay, Velasco.
from Team Alfaro. Number 78, Dante Rocky.
Okay, Dante also again. Dante receiving also, medical 5. Mr. Dante. Yung dominant center po ng ligang ito ngayon. Okay, next po.
Jersey number 5. From Team Ganas.
Mr. Patikin.
Carl Patikin.
Ano ba? I am the one.
And last, medical 5. From person number 42. Team Alfaro. Ian Liglas.
Elias. Okay. The high flyer. Elias, the high flyer also completing the medical 5. Present while sa commissioner, Commissioner Aison, of course, yung business development manager po ng ding ito, si Madam Kat. Okay. Okay, thank you. Wait, meron pa. Okay, including the 6 man also. Okay, Kalis include the 6 man. Thank you, congratulations. Okay, presenting now.
Our season MVP.
Season MVP goes to receiving trophy and of course plaque
Season MVP.
and medal also.
Jersey number 24. Team Alfaro.
Okay, Akshay is a season MVP ng PSBQ Basketball League. Receiving personalized poster, plaque poster, medal pa po yan. And of course, PSBQ shirt.
Ganda lang suot ko, iba yung arrive. Talagang higtan mo, laging push na pagkanda lang sa corner. Just ka lang dala, o panis ka. Tapos may pakit mo rin harid ko sa bulsa. Di mo na patay.
Ako, compress lang gabi. Pag-compress lang po. Okay. Jane! Chaco, please. Go. Ayan. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you po. Congratulations to Mr. Chaco for winning the season MVP.
A brand new basketball shoes from Team Gana. Music. Later.
Isa?
Okay.
Ganda. Ayan pa? Wala na. Medyo depleted pa ako na. Ay, isa! Okay, magre-reload muli po tayo. Babalik muli po kami mamaya pa. Give us 2 minutes po. Will again po. We'll reload po dito live stream ito. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much. Okay na.